Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.